everyone, welcome to Quick Automotive Diagnostics. Today we have a 2011, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I'm right, this is a 2011. Up the scanner over there. By the way, we have a new scanner. I don't know if I ever mentioned it. This, my friend, is what they call the Maxis Ultra. And it's very powerful, so it's all in one. You have the scope, you have the voltmeter there, and this thing it has a built-in power, so you don't need to carry wires around. You just hook up there, and then your tablet is actually hand-free. So very cool. I like it. Thanks to Hotel. I'm not a sponsor anyways, but let's see what we got here. So I think key should be on, you dummy. Key on. Boom. It's gonna do what they call the topology, and this is gonna scan all module on this vehicle. So all we do is say fault scan, and it's gonna go through all the modules, and we watch. Go to the other fault code first. We have a coolant here. Go here. Oh, there's a technical bulletin about that. Okay, anyways, let's see what could cause this. So, coolant temperature sensor. This one is actually easy to test. Could be low coolant or coolant is leaking. I didn't see anything on the floor. Coolant strength, we'll check that. Anyways, so let's see what we have here for technical bulletin regarding this fault code. Fluid quality poor, message on. This applied to the diesel. It's not a diesel. Anyways, let's see the other one. This guy here for the sensor. Oops. What could cause this? Accelerator pedal. Send the total position information back to the PCM. We know that. And it's closed near 45 volts. The 45 volts. What? Hit wide open throttle. There is approach to 5. Okay. Live data. We can go in engine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the throttle and see if he actually. We check engine coolant temperature. Throttle indicated angle, accelerator pedal position. Yeah, right now it's saying 0. That's really, we're gonna go there right away. Okay, what else we have here? Fuel tank pressure. Engine oil pressure, you will see that. How to change this value? You go in here maybe? No. We want to change this value instead of keep KPA. Engine oil level switch is okay. Pressure. That's what I want to see actually. So let's see. Show selected. Map sensor, I really don't want to see this. Why did I select map sensor? Engine coolant. Accelerator. Yeah, those are the all right. Stuck at 129 psi. How crazy that is, eh? Okay, so let's go after this oil pressure. My oil, maybe if we reset, let's see by clearing this fault code if it's gonna change anything. Let's see. What's this intelligent do? Oh, it's nothing. I'm still learning this tool, so yeah. Let's clear this fault code and see if you're gonna see any good changes or anything. Okay, so we're gonna read fault code. Oil, no. Okay, now we're gonna go to our data. Oh, still selected. Beauty, I like that. Show. Oh, we didn't want any engine, but let's see the oil. Oh, it's stuck there. The oil's still there. KPA, we don't want KPA, we want, let's see here, PSI. By the way, if you don't know, I just noticed something. If you click that little symbol there, the measurement symbol, you will change from KPA to PSI. That's what I just discovered myself, because I did not know. I don't have any oil pressure, boys. So this could be a mechanical issue, or this is gonna be just a sensor being bad. So that's what we're gonna find out next. Okay, stay tuned and we're gonna be back. Let's see. So the signal, the oil pressure sensor lives down here. It's kind of hard to see, so I disconnect the sensor. Oh boy, sorry for the glare. It's very, very hard to see. It's right there. I don't know if you're gonna see the okay, right there. You see that little black connector there? So that's the oil pressure sensor. So I disconnect it and I pull the connector here. So we have connector 1 on that side, 2, and then 3. According to the diagram, on a 2 here, right side, I should have 5 volt, which is the reference voltage, and we have a signal here, and then we have the signal return, whatever they call it, how do they call it? On it one, it's gonna be the just like a ground, basically ground signal return. So it's a black wire, which is a ground, and then the gray, which is gonna be our 5 reference voltage. That's the one right there. And then the tan and white, that's our signal. That's our signal, and then it should be down there, tan and white right there. Okay, so let's see what we see on a screen. We're interested into the engine oil. Now it's at 0. Look at that. Okay. Now, according to the information, I'm gonna jump the signal to 5 ref, and then I'll see if actually we have if we have 80 psi or more. Now let's go see what we have. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So that's a good sign. So what we have here is a bad sensor. Now, before we make that conclusion, it could be stupid. Let's see if I can put you guys in here and see what I'm doing. That's what I can do, nothing else. Okay. Oops. So we're gonna see if we have our 5 reference. Okay, new part just came in. You see Delco. That's the part number if you're interested. Anyways, so let's see if we can put you guys here, and then you can see what I'm doing here. It's gonna be hard. I don't know, man. Filming with a phone, it's a little bit of a challenge because that's the way it is. Make sure this thing is on good. Everything looks good there. Okay. All right, so no. Okay. I'm gonna ask you guys some more questions for RPO, all kind of stuff. Single zone manual. Okay, well, yes. Okay. We don't need to scan it, but we can go control module, can go to the engine. We can go to live data and engine, and all we need to see is our engine oil, accelerator pedal. We want to see the temperature and engine. Where's the oil pressure? Engine oil pressure. Engine oil pressure. Look at that. 12 kPa. Remember, if you want to change this to PSI, you go here and you click that symbol. PSI now. So we are 1.17. Remember, before there was nothing. If you watched this, you remember before we were testing this, and this one was all the way to the max because that sensor was shorted. So now let's start it and see what we got. Oops. Sorry. Nice. I don't know if you should be like doing that. That I don't know. Check engine light went off itself, so that's a good sign. Let's see, we have a 40 psi. I have to check the manual and see what's the spec. Now, I guess we're good. No check engine light, no problems. But however, we got it. So there's our engine oil pressure. And what about our accelerator pedal? Where are you? Command air fuel. Yeah, this is 1.0. There's some going on with air fuel equivalence ratio, but I'm not gonna care about that. JPP still at 0, and our engine ECT, the engine coolant temperature, so it's climbing slowly. So yeah, that's it, boys. That was a quick one. Check engine light went off itself without me even clearing it. As soon as you saw this oil pressure, it's happy. It's happy with it. Okay. I guess this one should go down as the engine is warming up. Possibly. But there we go, we're good. Okay, let's see the trouble code in here. If there's any. Current and history. No fault code, gentlemen. I didn't even erase them. So it's good. Escape. I think we're done. This Chevrolet Impala, it's ready to be shipped to the customer. Thanks for choosing, Quad. Please subscribe, ring that bell, and comment, criticism, they're all welcome. Thanks. Peace.